When Africa is discussed in many topics in the American perspective, most people's initial thought about Africa is associated with war and violence, blood diamonds, safaris, and diseases. No one really focuses on the importance of Africa and the innovations and contributions the states have made to the development of many civilizations. This lack of education allows outsiders to generate stereotypes about Africa that can eventually lead to a bad reputation on this indigenous continent that is considered by most to be the home of humanity. We think it is important to study Africa because of the intellectual innovations and contributions that have come from early African states. People of the early ancient states in Africa developed writing systems, the 12-month, 365-day calendar, the study of philosophy, basic algebra, the decimal system, and iron technology. Egyptians created the first writing system known as hieroglyphics. There's over 700 ancient Egyptian symbols representing actual words and sounds. Writings would be recorded on wet clay tablets or carved into solid rock on the Egyptians' pharaohs' tombs. The Egyptians developed a knowledge in astronomy through recording details of the seasons and recording floods and droughts. As they studied the sun, moon, and stars, they then developed the creation of the 12-month calendar of 365 days. Philosophy originated in Africa. Asante says that the first talk about wisdom and who was wise at the tomb of Antef occurred in Africa around 2052 BCE. When it came to mathematics and science, the Muslim states of North Africa made many achievements. They were the ones who developed our modern numeral system based on counting from 1 to 10. After the counting system was established, algebra was then discovered, which then led to the discovery and the usage of the decimal point system. Another innovation that contributes to the everyday lives of modern humans is iron technology. According to Shillington, the spread of iron technology spread westward to other ancient states of Africa. Tools accelerated the spread of farming communities. The usage of iron technology enabled ancient state settlements and materials to improve their everyday life. Today, we also utilize iron to complete everyday tasks. The smelting of iron originated in Africa, and it is important to look at how this African innovation contributes to our success in our modern city-states today. Whether we realize it or not, African culture and history is intertwined into our everyday lives. It is important for people to be educated on African history and not strictly just American or European history. As we have learned throughout the semester, African history has had a huge impact on the rest of the world and also the future generations to come.